I am a living proof and evidence na whenever you pray the rosary, if you have some problem sa buhay, it will flow smoothly. And I am a living proof for that. My favorite mystery sa rosary is the sorrowful mystery. Okay? So, it's like Mama Mary dun sa na-feel niya during those mysteries because from that sorrowful, naging mas matatag si Mama Mary, right? So, isinasabay ko siya na whenever there's a problem in my life, wala kang pake. Go! I will walk to that path. And then, what should I fear? I have Mama Mary. Mama Mary nga, nagawa niya in so Jesus Christ. And also, Mama Mary is with me always. That is why I always wear my rosary bracelets. I always wear them because whenever I see my rosary bracelet, it reminds me that Mama Mary is always with me. And even though in the sorrowful of my life, she's there. I can cry. I can be angry. Pwede ako maghandusay sa floor. But it's just to burst her emotion. Pero, in sorrowful midst, naramdaman ko na, I'm not alone. Si-share ni Mama Mary yung sorrow niya sa akin. So, yon. Actually, I am a living proof and evidence na whenever you pray the rosary, if you have some problem sa buhay, it will flow smoothly. And I am a living proof for that. Yun lang yung masasabi ko kasi nga, iba-iba tayo ng buhay, right? Iba-iba tayo ng faith, iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala, iba-iba tayo ng gusto sa buhay. So, hindi ko masasabi na lahat tayo ay dapat maging ganun. Pero masasabi ko lang is, just trust God and pray to Mama Mary. So, that is powerful. Promise. Hindi ako binitawan ni Mama Mary. From my board exam, sa pag-aaral ko, lagi siya nandyan. And yes, I will fall sometimes. In Kapampangan, misakab ka, madadapa ka. But then, always remember, may magtatayo sa iyo.